Welcome to this presentation on Topic 6, Python Advanced Functions, presented by Dr. Hamed Mohammed Almantheri. Today, we delve into advanced functions in Python, starting with an overview of the topics we'll cover. Our first advanced topic is anonymous functions, which are also commonly known as lambda functions in Python. Anonymous functions are quick, simple, and one-liner functions that can take any number of arguments, but are limited to only one expression. Let's look at a sample problem to understand how to convert a regular function into a lambda function. Here, we see a traditional adder function defined with def, which simply returns the sum of two arguments, a and b. This slide illustrates how to implement the same adder functionality using an anonymous lambda function, showcasing its concise syntax. We can also use lambda functions for string manipulation, such as converting text to uppercase, as demonstrated here with the upper function. Lambda functions are versatile, allowing us to perform operations like adding a constant to a number or calculating the product of multiple numbers. They can also be used for more complex logic, such as calculating the cube of a number or determining if a number is odd or even. Here's an example of converting a function that compares two numbers and returns the larger one into a concise lambda expression. Now, let's transition to our next advanced topic, recursive functions. Recursive functions are those that call themselves to produce a result, allowing for efficient programs with minimal code by looping through data. A classic example of recursion is calculating factorials, where the factorial of a number is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to that number. This code snippet demonstrates a recursive function in Python to calculate the factorial of a given number, such as 5, which results in 120. Another sample problem involves creating a recursive function to calculate the sum of a series from 1 up to a given number n. The solution involves defining a base case and a recursive case, as shown in this Python function that sums numbers up to a user-provided input. For our third sample problem, we'll create a recursive function that prints a countdown from a given number n down to 1. Finally, let's explore a program that uses recursion to display the square of numbers from n down to 1, demonstrating another practical application of recursive functions. This concludes our presentation on Python's advanced functions, covering both anonymous lambda functions and recursive programming concepts. Thank you for your attention.